Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone overheating in iOS 16.6. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn on low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap battery. Turn on low power mode. Solution number 2. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 3. Close all apps. Solution number 4. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general. On the general page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slide to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 5. Remove unnecessary widgets. Tap on widget. Remove widget. Again remove it. Solution number 6. Check battery health. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap battery. Tap battery health and charging. Check your battery health. 75% battery health good on iPhone. Thanks for watching this video.